Hey traders, ever felt stuck with platforms that feel slow, cluttered, or simply outdated? Today we are diving into a true game changer, MatchTrader, a clean, powerful, and refreshingly modern trading platform that works seamlessly across all devices. In this video, I'll walk you through the user interface, unique features, TradingView powered charts, analytics tools, mobile app experience, and why this trading platform has become a favorite among many traders. Let's get right into it. MatchTrader is a web-based and mobile-friendly platform built for Forex and CFD traders who want speed, simplicity, and professional-grade tools all in one clean interface. It's fully browser-based, which means no downloads or heavy software installations. Whether you're scalping, swing trading, or managing multiple accounts as a prop trader, it adapts to all your styles. MatchTrader was built with modern coding from the ground up, giving it a clean, intuitive feel that is fast, smooth, and customizable for both brokers and traders. Let's talk about the user interface. One word: streamlined. The main dashboard is sleek. From the moment you log in, everything is logically placed. You can customize your workspace with resizable panels, add multiple chart windows, toggle between the light and dark mode, pin your most traded instruments to favorites tab by clicking on the star for quick access. I especially love how quick it is to find instruments or switch between currency pairs. Literally one click. The workspace is clean, clutter-free, built to help you focus. So here is really what makes MatchTrader stand out. The features that hooked me right away. TradingView powered charts. Smooth high-resolution charts with all your favorite TradingView indicators like the RSI, MACD, Fibonacci, and trend lines. You have technical analysis that feels natural and precise. You also get one-click execution or one-click trading. You can place trades instantly when speed matters. You can enable or disable confirmations depending on your preference. You get a favorite instruments panel. Here you can bookmark your most traded pairs for instant access. You get also a risk management tool. Drag a single stop loss line or take profit line up and down on your chart to adjust visually with real-time updates. You can also set your stop loss and take profit levels for all your trades of the same instrument at once, making trade management incredibly efficient. You get a built-in calendar, market sentiment, and news feed so that you can keep up with the most important market-moving economic events without ever leaving your terminal. We can also look at here the analytics tab. You can review your trading performance in detail, track win or loss ratios, average trade duration, and more. Perfect for improving your strategy. You get also a prop tab for the prop traders. This tab shows you your progress towards targets and key metrics, so you are always aware of your evaluation status or live account requirements. MatchTrader's mobile app is just as impressive. It's light, fast, and feature-packed. The mobile features include real-time market quotes, TradingView powered charts with indicators and technical analysis tools. You can place and close trades instantly. You can switch between accounts, and you can modify your stop loss and take profit on the go. I've used it on the go and it has never lagged or frozen, which is crucial when trading live. Before we go any further, let me show you guys some of the features on MatchTrader in more detail so that you can be able to understand how to use the platform and also see some of these features I've talked about in more detail. So right here, when you log in, this is the interface you're going to see, especially if you choose MatchTrader as your preferred trading platform for your prop firm, okay, or your Forex broker. If you choose this platform, this is the interface you're going to be greeted with. Now, the interface, when you look at the charts here, it is adjustable. You come to this icon right here, and then you can hold down and move it left and right. This icon right here, it moves this interface left and right. You can adjust the size like this. And also here, you can move this up and down to adjust to show more currency pairs and show less of the news, calendar, market, and symbol info tabs. So this platform allows you to have the native charts and also the TradingView charts. Now for the TradingView charts, you just come up here and then you can toggle this button on. Then you can have the option for the TradingView charts, which are more dynamic. You can also be able to use that feature right here on March Trader. To add an instrument to your favorites, you can see up here on the favorites tab, these are the instruments which are already there. But if you want to add another instrument to your favorites tab, what you do, you go to this search bar, click here and then search that instrument. For example, if you say Euro ETC, like this one here, if you type Euro, you will see there are so many pairs without the star. The ones with the blue star are already added to the favorites tab. So if you want to add another one, just click on the star right here. Like if you say Euro, Try or Turkish Lira, you can see up here it says symbol was added to favorites. Now if you go back to the favorites tab, you will see that that symbol is displayed here in the favorite tabs. You can also check the top movers or the pairs which have moved the most today. You can find them on the top movers right here. So let's look at some other tabs and some other features that March Trader offers you as a prop trader or just any other trader trading with a normal Forex broker. So here we have the trade tab, which has all of the information like the charts, you open trades and everything. If you come to the prop tab right here, you will see here your analytics, which help you to see whether you are still in phase 1, phase 2, or whatever metrics that you have going on with your prop farm challenge. You'll be able to get them when you have a live account or when you connect your prop farm challenge account to March Trader. Also, when you go to the analytics right here, it will show you your return on investment, it will show you trade performance, it will show you everything that you need to know to see how you can improve on your edge while you're trading. As you can see right now, I have a running trade of -$7, as you can see here. So you can see your average win, average loss, profit factor, and everything that you need to be able to keep on improving your edge. All right, so if you go to explore here, all the popular tabs that you need will populate here so that you can be able to see your Forex news, your upcoming events, the economic calendar. You can see the market sentiment for the pairs down here. You can see the top movers here, and you can see the trending or popular symbols right here. So this Explore tab combines all of the tabs down here to the left, the news tab, the economic calendar tab, the market sentiment tab right here, and then the symbol info tab right here. When you come to the prop tab right here, you can be able to go to details here for you to see the details of your challenge. You can be able to see how you're doing with your phase 1 or phase 2. You can see your initial balance, your initial leverage, trading period, minimum trading days, according to which prop firm you are trading with. You can also come here and click register for you to be able to register a prop firm account. You come to profit split, and then you can add on, and also you can add on a drawdown limit, and then you can add on no minimum trading days. You can enter a discount code right here and then click on register. When you click on register right here, after you have registered, now you can be able to choose that account from the accounts right here, and then you will have these tabs available. Here on the challenges tab, you will be able to see all the challenges that you have available on March Trader platform. Then here you can be able to go to challenge status tab for you to see the progress of your current challenge with the prop firm that you have chosen to trade with. You can be able to see your equity curve here that updates according to how you're trading. You can be able to see your initial balance, verification phase you are in, the start date, the end date, and you'll also be able to see your profit target level. You'll be able to see your maximum daily loss, your maximum loss on the account that is allowed by the prop firm you're trading with, and you can be able to see how you're progressing with your daily loss limit. Here you also see the performance metrics like the number of trades, the win ratio, the average loss, the average profit. On top of that, you will see to your left that the prop tab has been added right here on top of the news, calendar, market, and symbol info tab. Now this tab is just a summary of what you'll see on the challenge status tab. Those are the tabs that you'll find on March Trader. Now before we go any further, if you're finding any good value with the video so far, comment down below the features that you see very interesting with March Trader, Let us know what you think. So here back on the trade tab, we can see that I have the euro dollar trades running down here at the bottom. So let me expand that so that you can see that clearly. See, I have 2 positions on euro dollar right here. So if I click here, it will change the chart back to the euro dollar so that you can see the running trades. Now, if I want to change the take profit and stop loss, you can see this visual on the chart is already showing here on the chart. I have 2 positions running and I have stop loss and take profit. So let me just move this. This is the take profit above. Let me move it like this so that we have 2 different take profits, you can see. And then let me move this one a bit lower for the stop loss so that you can be able to see how it works. Okay, so you can see now the 2 trades have different stop loss and take profit levels. But if I want them to have the same take profit and stop loss, what I do, I just come down here on these running trades, click on the pencil tool on one of them like this, and then we'll have this window right here opening up. So here, if I change the stop loss, for example, if I change this stop loss and move it a bit higher, if I click on set stop loss for all Euro USD trades, and then also I change the take profit, for example, if I change the take profit here like this, okay, and I also click here, set TP for all euros, and then I click on save, you will see that all of the positions update their take profit and stop loss to just one stop loss level and one take profit level for both running trades. So that is how you set a stop loss and take profit for 2 different running trades on the same pair on one level. So to close the trade, you just come here and close. Like for example, we close here, then confirm, click here and then confirm, and then your trades are closed. Then when you go to the analytics tab, you will see your analytics and your performance right here. Here, if you click up here, you can be able to see your accounts and you can add a new trading account from your broker. Who is MatchTrader perfect for? MatchTrader is perfect for active retail traders, both new and experienced, prop traders managing funded accounts, scalpers, swing traders, day traders who are relying on visual risk tools to manage their trades. It's also perfect for brokers looking for a customizable platform for them to be able to onboard their clients. Modern trading deserves modern tools. MatchTrader is a modern, powerful platform that blends speed, powerful tools, and an intuitive interface. The addition of trading view charts, built-in analytics, and prop firm specific features make it an all-in-one solution and platform of choice for serious traders, brokerage firms, and prop firms alike. MatchTrader has a user-friendly interface which is clean and intuitive. It gives you both web and mobile experience and gives you analytical tools to help you do your technical analysis, like you can draw your trend lines, you can draw your Fibonacci's on there. All those tools are available for you. You also get the market sentiment, the news, the economic calendar, and the prop analytics tab on there. Have you tried MatchTrader out yet? If not, check the link in the description of the video to try it out. You will not be disappointed. Believe me, it is awesome. And also, here is a question for you. What is the most important feature that you've liked on MatchTrader? Leave your comment down below. I would really like to know. If this review has helped you, give a like on the video, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss a video next time when I upload it. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and out.